What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're taking a look at the MELONARE quad channel wireless conference microphone system. Big shout out to the company MELONARE for sending these over for a review. I'll drop the product purchase link down below. So this is the model number MWM-41-4G and some of the features and details. So this features wide applicability, suitable for equipment with 6.35 millimeter and 3.5 millimeter interface, such as your PA system, mixers, karaoke machines, outdoor speakers. It features incredible sound delivery with EQ tuning, 24-bit, 48 kilohertz sample rating, and digital transmission. Flexible frequency hopping, 4x10 frequency groups, ensures interference-free operation and seamless multi-device connection. You get enhanced signal stability up to 240 feet according to the box. You get long-lasting performance up to 12 hours with one single charge. You get hands-free freedom with gooseneck microphones, which feature all-in-one design, no assembly needed, silky skin-like coating, USB Type-C charging ports, and color-coded for easy ID. So included in the box, you're going to get your user's manual, wireless receiver, gooseneck conference microphone with phone covers, power adapter, dual USB Type-C cable for simultaneous charging. You get a 1/4-inch audio cable, and you're going to get your 6.35 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter cable adapter. So those are a few of the features and details. Let's go ahead and take a look at the box. So here's the box. The model number there, the name. You got 4x10 adjustable frequency, 240 feet wireless coverage, high fidelity sound, plug and play operation, quad channel wireless conference microphones. So on this side, it tells you the content of the packaging like I read off. Here it is, professional wireless microphone system. And then you get your warranty information right there as well. And then here are your specs. If you guys want to go ahead, pause that and read it yourself. There it is. So let's go ahead and get this box open and check out everything that's in here. So let's get the box. Let's see if I can get that in the shot. Yep, so here it is. So let's take a look at what's inside. So the first thing in the box, we're going to get our user's manual right here. It's going to tell us everything that we need to know about this device, and we may reference that in a little bit. You're going to get your Type-C to Type-A cable. You're going to get your adapter here. This is going to be the 1/4-inch audio cable adapter. And then you're going to get your Type-C splitter. You get a Type-C to Type-A, dual cable right here for charging two things at one time. And then you're going to get your 6.35 to 3.35 millimeter audio cable right here. That is that right there. And then, of course, we're going to have our receiver in here. So let's check this out. So very lightweight, made out of plastic. Here are your different knobs here. Here's your power button, look like it. You got your antennas here. Here's the bottom of it. You do have some non-slip grip here. And then here's all your audio ports to connect right here. XLR cables, DCN mixer. And you guys can see that. We'll go over this a little bit more once we get this set up. And then, of course, you're going to have your gooseneck microphones down in here. Get this stuff out of the way. So you get your power adapter as well. That is for your receiver. And then here are your goosenecks. So yeah, very soft material right here. Then you got your buttons here set. And it's going to be your power on, and you can you can mute your mic right there as well. Power on, mute. Now this is all plastic. These are adjustable, as you guys see, and there's 4 of them in here. So we're going to get these all set up, Let you guys see the microphone there. They're not very tall either here in comparison to my hand. Let's take out one more, let you guys see how they look. So it's 4 of them in there. We're going to get them set up. I'm going to get me a speaker and we'll try these out. Okay guys, so I have everything set up right here. I got power going into the receiver, and let's kind of take a look at it here. So let's take a closer look at one of the microphones here. So the gooseneck here, you do have a little pop filter on here. You do have an LED display right here set, and then I showed you earlier that this is the power on and off and your mute button. So if you turn it on, you guys can see your little LED right there. It's going to give you battery percentage. It's going to tell you what channel you're on as well. And this is where you charge it, your Type-C charging port. I didn't mention that earlier. So right here, you can cycle through your different channels just by pressing that button. If you wanted to mute the microphone, you can mute it, unmute it right there just like that. So that is the microphone. Now each one of them is going to be color coded. You got a red there, and I'll show you why in a minute. You got orange. You're going to have green. Here's your green one right there. And then the last one is going to be blue. And here's your blue right there. So these are color coded and matched up. So Type-C, they give you a Type-C cable, a splitter with a USB-A in on it. And that just so you can charge two microphones at one time, just like this. And if you got a power bank or something like this, or either just a regular wall plug, you're going to be able to charge these up. And as you guys see, the charging indicator there, letting you know that it is charging. So that's a pretty cool way of keeping 2 of them charged at the same time. And it seems like you'll be able to charge while you're using them as well. So let's take a look at the receiver. So I do have it powered up. I have the DC power going in. And like I said earlier, you can hook these up to your mixers, your audio interfaces, your PA system boxes, amplified speakers, whatever. You got your XLR, you got your mix, which is I'm going to use. You got your antennas here, rubberized feet to keep it from slipping. And then looking at the front, I showed you the color code. So this is red, orange, green, and blue. That way you'll know which microphone you're adjusting volume to. You got AF and RF frequencies. I'll put on the display here the meaning of those. I'm not an audiophile, so that'll be a definition right there. If you're an audiophile, you'll know what all this means. Here's your power button. When you press that, it turns blue, and then you'll see your light up on your RF and AF LEDs right there. So one mic is on. I'm going to turn them all on. So that's that one, and this one. So you're all on RF right now. And we're going to get this plugged in to a speaker, and I'll let you guys see what these sound like. All right, guys, so I have my amplified speaker here that I'm going to just set the receiver on top of, and I'm going to plug it into the mic right here on the front of this. I'm going to go right into this jack right there using the cable that was provided. So let's go ahead and get that set up, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, guys, as you guys see, I'm going right into the mix port on the receiver, and then over here, I'm going into the mic on the amplified speaker. So let's check these out. Okay, guys, so I have the receiver hooked up to my amplified speaker, and here's one microphone. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it sounds great to me. This is the audio quality that you're going to get right here, and this is the first one. So let me pick up the next one here. This is the second one. This is the orange color, and this is what it sounds like. So all of them sound great. Like I said, I don't know if you can hear it, but it sounds great. No squealing or anything like that. Sounds great. I may put a camera over there and let you guys hear how it sounds. If you get too close, you will get some plosives. So let me put a camera over there and let you hear how they sound coming from a different angle. Okay, guys, so here's a sample of the wireless microphone by MELONARE. I'm about 10 feet, 12 feet away from the speaker. This will work up to 240 feet away. And this is one of the microphones here. So this is a second microphone here. If you get too close, you will get some explosives. But this is the quality that you're going to get right here. And you can adjust the volume as well. So let's get back to the video. Okay guys, so this has been my look at the MELONARE quad channel wireless conference microphone system. As you guys see, they sound great. You get everything that you need in the packaging to get started. Now you're going to be able to use these with your PA systems, mixers, karaoke machines, outdoor speakers. You're going to be able to use these for your church functions. You also can use these for public speaking, conferences, lectures, and things like that. And they got you set up. So it's a great price for these as well. I'll definitely leave the product purchase link down below if you guys want to go pick this up. Will H. I'm out.